Well, we got baby kittens. Mother must be moving them again. We got tons of baby chicks now. Those just hatched out yesterday. And those ones I think I already got video of. So we got a lot of baby chicks now. A lot of babies running around. And there's the old rooster. There's the old black hen. Another hen. Here's our other babies. Now their mother got killed by a coon. So we had to put them in this cage. And we'll take care of them until they get a little bigger and we'll turn them loose like these. Well, have a wonderful day. Peace.